among all appointments, I've seen only one. Even the own NDC people have raised concerns. Randy Abbey to COCOBOD. I mean, many of them who say are so fictitious, and it's an elusive condition. Say, what the Randy Abbey call, how do you call it? COCOBOD. For me, I think Mahama could have done better. Randy Abbey is a fine gentleman. Competency wise, he's good. But be I'm not a spare peg in round hole. We're good, but COCOBOD with different orientation. Until Unya will be our indigenous or understanding of the cocoa sector. Even the farmers can gel with him. The produce buying company. Also, Randy Abbey won a class. I was expecting him to have related more to the football and the youth and those things. I mean, maybe I'm so the reasons, but whatever reasons you have, Randy Abbey for me at the COCOBOD is a problem. You've listened to political experts. Amache Boateng. According to an assessment, they've rated Mahama's appointment as appointing competence. Ibn say, I'm using the words of Subi MP. I said Mahama's appointment reflected a good relationship between the party and the government. When the party in the war bind. And any appointment, there should be a relationship between the party and the government. And even in Bible, Osha Athrena, Jean-François Recalcho say, near young year any day amount. What we have is what we are giving you. The Mahama war. He looks into the pool of resource persons, and I think say for the names up, he has given his top notch. I've heard say why another appointment or NCA, National Communications Authority, and one Reverend Edmond Fianco. Reverend Edmond Fianco happens to be the director now in charge of radio and television. It's been there years, even I think Mills time, John Mahama Nankasa time, Akufo-Addo time, and he's a very, very decent and onyobi outspoken Fuidi. He's there, or he's at his one corner. I think it's also one of the best appointments I can ever think of. I know him personally, and despite the fact that I know him personally, I won't say on yet too much, or he's not a political person. He's into the ministry. He's a reverend minister, and anytime we are a president making appointment for meritocracy, and on the Buama or my tumpon, the countries like Singapore near they are doing now, they look at the competence. Can you do it? So whether you are there or here, your competency matters. I think John Dramani Mahama, I've heard and seen many posts. NDC phone be Akufo-Addo time they closed down stations and the thing say Reverend Fianco was there, and therefore look, Reverend Fianco was director for radio and TV. Yes, they had the communication ministry. They had even the director, the NCA boss. Reverend Fianco 10 time it's like radio or general manager and program director. The political leaders, if you should take decisions, and now I mean many radio stations, and then in the Edukwa station, as a result of either CES going whatever. There are different reasons for that, but then this is for any upgrade. I think I can say, so you should have one of the best NCA boss Ghana is going to have if Reverend Edmond Fianco's position is confirmed, because the guy is a fine gentleman, a very innovative, and obey to me at a lot at the aba. And this for no, Mebruno should keep quiet. Won't come on to me. Near be a bed banner, no. Not always you should know him before, but we are looking at competency. And I think I'll commend John Dramani Mahama for this appointment. It's one of the best he has ever done. Yes, this is Reverend Edmond Fianco, and he's one of the top-notch expert at the field. In fact, for now, NCA, he is the brain, the creme. He knows everything, and he's well vested in his field. And apart from that, he's a Reverend minister, and not any other church, but the Methodist Church Ghana. And I think, say, and it's for them to they have one of the finest gentlemen, and will be on upon the whatever they seek to do with him, and they want to do a better the nation. I think Reverend Edmond Fianco is the best person to do this.
The military, the police.
Oh, I don't think so. He will get there. I don't think so. It will get there. I don't think it will even get there.
One of the appointments.
They should rather be jubilating. They should rather be jubilating for Reverend Edmond Fianco. No, they should rather be jubilating for Reverend Edmond Fianco.
Top communicators, who is Fianco?
Of course, they don't know him. They don't know him. He is a very reserved type and very decent person.
And this is
they should relate well with him.